What is up, everybody? My name is Stacy. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate you. I really do. And if you're the kind of person that likes beauty content such as makeup tutorials and fashion hauls, then you should subscribe to this channel because I do that here. Okay, give this video a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe to me on, you do not subscribe on Instagram, okay? You follow me on Instagram. That's going to be listed down below. Okay, today's video, speaking of today's video, I'm so excited to do it. It's gonna be all about this bad boy right here. This is the Lunar Beauty, what is it, Moon Prism blush palette. Oh my gosh, look at these colors, guys. So beautiful. I'm so proud of Manny. I've been such a huge fan of his for so many years, and so I'm so happy to be doing a video with this blush palette today. So if you want to see what I think and you want to see how I used it, then please stay tuned. Yes, these are swatches. All right, guys, so this is where we're at. I done already taken care of the eyes, so let's go ahead and get into the base makeup. So today I'm going to start with my Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation in the shade Warm Almond. I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over my face. Let me grab my mirror. All right, let me go ahead and apply the foundation. Okay, so now that I've applied that, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face also with some Morphe setting spray because to help the foundation stick move around just a little bit better. All right, I'm gonna take my brush and go ahead and blend it in. Alrighty, so now that the foundation is all blended in, we're gonna go ahead and go in with our concealer, and that's gonna be this one from Neutrogena, the Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade, what shade are you? Oh, okay, it's a Toffee Medium 3, so this one right here. All right, let's go ahead and blend that out. All right, let's go ahead and set it. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier to set my under eyes. Alrighty, so my under eyes are all set. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this Morphe setting spray to remove a little bit of that cakiness that seems to have accumulated. All right, now that that's all dry, I'm gonna go in with a bronzer, and I'm gonna use my holy grail, the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And I'm actually gonna go in with the contour shade to do a little bit of bronzing. I like that color. All right, guys, so I am done bronzing, as you can see, and I went ahead and finished the rest of my eyes off camera. I added a lip and some earrings, and here we are. Alrighty, so now we can get to the star of the show, which is going to be this bad boy right here. This is the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush Palette. I am so excited to use this. I've been a huge Manny MUA fan for years now, and I finally got my hand on a product, and we're going to test her out today. So these are the shades, just in case you haven't already run across them. All right, and I'm gonna do a few swatches on the back of my arm because I won't be able to use all of the shades today. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first shade we're going to swatch is going to be the Peak Moon shade. It's going to be this one right here. Now, I don't believe for 1 second that I'm going to be able to pull her off, but she'll make a cute like inner corner highlight for a pinky look. If you are maybe my shade or deeper, this color can be used probably in multiple different ways. Maybe on the eye, on the lid for some reason. Who knows? Next color is going to be this Twilight color right here. Now, I love peach orange blushes. This is going to be so much fun to work with. I cannot wait to be able to use this color. It is gorgeous. I love this. All right, next shade is going to be Spacey right here. Do a little bit more. All right, that is a pretty color. And if you can't tell, I'm actually wearing Spacey on my eyes. Just wanted to test the versatility of these shades, and so far so good. All right, next color is going to be this Soleil. Now, he's described this as like one of those, I don't want to say shiny, but the ones that give the blush a bit of a sheen. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, I like that. So that'll be that color right there. That's gonna be a pretty blush topper. I really like that. Or again, you can use it on your eyes if you want to, I don't know, spice up something. I think it could be a really cute inner corner highlight as well. Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to that one. All right, and next we have Stargaze, which is gonna be this shade right there. Again, these blushes feel really nice. That's a pretty pink. I like that. That's a pretty pink. I hope you guys can see that. That'll be that shade right there, Stargaze. And last but most certainly not least, we have Gravity. That is going to be this shade right there. Ooh, what a pretty brown. I love that. That is cute. What a nice shade for deeper skin tones. Right? Oh yeah. That's like got like a peachy undertone. Very nice. All right, so I'm a little torn about which ones to use actually with this look. So considering what we're looking like, oh, I love this mirror. Nice. Ooh, considering what we're looking like, I think it's gonna be safe to say that Spacey might be the one doing it for us today. So let's go ahead and add her on the face. Ooh, okay. That's a lot. My bad. This is gorgeous, but I will say hella pigmented, okay? So a light hand goes a long way. Very nice. I am loving this. It shows up without being too much. And it goes perfect with this look. Oh, I love it. I love it. But to spice it up just a little bit more, I'm going to go in with that Soleil color on the same brush. Just a little bit to add a little something for the cheeks because we did not add highlighter in this video today. Oh, nice. Oh, this is a subtle kind of glow. I like that too. Oh, you can't build it up. Okay, okay. Gotcha. My goodness, this is so pretty. I love this. Oh my God, this mirror though, it is nice. I'm loving this. Wow, it's so clear. That's crazy. All right, guys. Well, you heard it here first, okay? This blush palette is all that, okay? These colors are so nice, so very complimentary. So give it up to Manny and Lunar Beauty for this palette right here. This is so nice. That Soleil color, that blush, it definitely adds as a really cute blush topper slash highlighter. Oh my god, it would be such a cute inner corner highlight. I am loving that. All the rest of the colors are so interesting as well. They definitely look complimentary. I cannot wait to play around with this palette. If you haven't gotten it, I want to say that right now it's sold out on the website, and I know I saw that Sephora was carrying it at one point, and another website, I have no idea. But when it comes back in stock, because he did say this was a permanent item, when it comes back in stock, if you haven't gotten it, pick it up. It is such a good palette, and it's so funny because I've been looking for a cheap palette for some time now, and I have been trying to find, I think the Morphe one, there's a peachy looking Morphe palette that I had been trying to track down, but I hadn't been able to get my hands on it. And then this bad boy dropped, and now I don't need it. Look at that. Look at that. All right, y'all, and that is it. Let me say thank you again, guys, for joining me for this really quick tutorial. It wasn't really anything in depth as I usually do, so for those who was looking for that, I'm sorry. I apologize. Please forgive me. We will pick that back up on the next video. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here. But again, be sure to subscribe if you like tutorials, if you're in love with makeup, if you like fashion hauls, because I do that over here. Be sure to hit that bell notification, and definitely follow me on Instagram. That's gonna be listed again down in the description box, okay? So I wanna see you guys come back here, okay? So I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.